Hi everyone, it's just been raining and oh my goodness, the road looks like a river. I'm on my way to Cantley Marshes. I just have to cross the railway line and hopefully when I show you this blue pub you'll know exactly where I am. It looks like it says Beauchamp Arms, but I think it's actually pronounced Beacham Arms. Do correct me if I'm wrong. So the first thing I spot is a man walking across the marshes and there's lots of deep puddles. So I presumed he was just out for a walk because he looks like he's got binoculars round his neck. And perhaps he's looking at his map. So I was convinced he was a walker lost out on the marshes. And I'm thinking, oh my goodness, because I've zoomed in a long way with my camera and I'm thinking, how on earth is he going to get out of there? But no, I was wrong. It's actually the farmer. But as for what he's doing, I've no idea. You'll see in a little while he goes and gets some sort of measuring stick or I don't know what it is. So if anybody knows what he's doing, and in a bit when you see him measuring, what is he actually doing and writing down, and I'm just nosy. Little eagle just flying overhead. So facing this way, you can see Cantley Sugar Factory in the distance, the silos from it, and then the other buildings, and then the reed cutter pub. So the farmer went back to his vehicle and he's now got this like measuring guide. I don't know what it is. It's in his right hand anyway. But look at all the water he's walking through. I know he's got waders on, but you really wouldn't want to fall over out there, would you? So behind the farmer, you can see that grassy green bank. Well, the river runs along there. So when you're going along the river, if you've got a boat that sits high in the water, you'll be able to look over and look down onto these marshes. And if you're a lower boat, you've probably never realised or seen them. It's a spectacular place. I wonder what that bird was that just landed. It's gone again. At the front of the screen, there's a hare, look, hiding from the farmer. These two Chinese water deer, I know they're looking at me, but I think they're actually spooked by the farmer who's out in their field. So they turn around to look at him. They're looking this way, I think, for an escape route. They don't really know what to do. Just hide in the long grass. Now I think it's the deer that's scared the hare. It's all happening out here. So much going on. But look, the rain clouds are fast approaching. So I think I'd probably need to get off these marshes and make my way back to the car. I hope you've enjoyed it and discovered what's the other side of the riverbank. I'm sure most of you probably know anyway, but some might not. I do like the marshes. I know I usually put the wildlife on my other channel, but I thought, well, I'll just show you because you can clearly see whereabouts I was. And I thought, well, next time you're along the river at Cantley, you can just look over. I think, oh yeah, now we know what's in there. And of course, the other thing is people usually go further along to Marshes, which is opposite the Beauchamp Arms, or they go to Strumpshaw, to the RSPB place. Well, Marshes is RSPB as well. But look, why aren't these marshes promoted more? They join up with the others. And I'm the only person here. Well, apart from the farmer, but he's a fair distance away from me. So with these black clouds, in case you're wondering, I did make it back to the car. I managed to take my wellies off, sat inside, and then it was torrential rain again. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.